Listen up, I got a message to deliver about living life to the fullest, yo, I'm a giver. Forget the stress, leave your worries behind. It's time to shine, let your spirit unwind. Enjoy your life, every day and every night. Embrace the moment, live it up, take flight. No need to worry, no need to strive. Just live your dreams, enjoy your life. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your life. Take you on a journey, let's go on an adventure. No time for regrets, no need for censure. Life's too short, gotta make it count. Don't let negativity bring you down. Enjoy your life, every day and every night. Embrace the moment, live it up, take flight. No need to worry, no need to strive. Just live your dreams, enjoy your life. Life's a roller coaster full of ups and downs. But you gotta keep going, turn those frowns around. Find your passion, chase your dreams. Live life to the fullest, it's not as hard as it seems.